If you wake up with stiff hands or feel unsteady when you first start moving in the morning, take a moment and look at me. I'm Dr. Martín, a physician with more than 20 years supporting people over 55. Many of the changes you're feeling are not simply getting older. They often come from gradual changes in the body that affect comfort, mobility, and overall daily ease. Today, I want to help you understand what's happening and offer simple, enjoyable foods that many people find supportive for joint comfort and mobility. These snacks are easy to add to your day and may help you feel more flexible and steady. Stay with me, because small changes like these can make everyday movement feel more natural again.
If your hands go numb when you grip the steering wheel, if your legs feel like wet noodles every time you stand up from a chair, or if you wake up at 3 a.m. with that burning, pins and needles feeling in your fingers and toes, keep watching, because what I'm about to share with you changed everything for hundreds of my patients over 55. After age 55, your body loses roughly 8 to 10% of its collagen every single decade. That's the glue that holds your joints together, cushions your cartilage, keeps your nerves firing properly, and literally stops your skin from sagging and your legs from shaking. And no $200 jar of collagen cream on the planet can fix it from the outside. The only thing that works is feeding your body real collagen-building food every single day. Today I'm giving you the exact 8 collagen-rich snacks that finally made my patients say goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs for good. And yes, one of them is dark chocolate you'll actually look forward to eating. I'm Dr. Martín, a licensed physician specializing in internal medicine and geriatric care with over 20 years of clinical experience helping seniors just like you reverse joint pain, neuropathy symptoms, and muscle weakness so you can stay independent, active, and out of the walker aisle. Welcome to Senior Thrive. Let's start with a snack that sounds almost too good to be true: dark chocolate midnight clusters. I'm talking about real dark chocolate, minimum 80% cacao, sometimes 85 or 90 if you can handle the intensity. Harvard researcher Dr. William Li, who wrote the book Eat to Beat Disease, lists this as one of the most powerful collagen-boosting foods on earth because it's loaded with flavonols and proanthocyanidins, compounds that trigger stem cell regeneration, lower systemic inflammation, and protect your DNA from age-related damage. Here's exactly how I make them for my patients. Take 1 ounce of 85% dark chocolate. Melt it gently over a double boiler so you don't destroy the antioxidants. Stir in a generous handful of dry roasted almonds for glycine and healthy fats. Add 1 teaspoon of dried goji berries for extra vitamin C. Drop little clusters onto parchment paper and chill for 15 minutes. 2 clusters after dinner taste like dessert, but they are quietly rebuilding cartilage and calming angry nerves while you sleep. Next, gelatin fruit nibbles. Gelatin is hydrolyzed collagen, meaning it's already broken down into peptides your intestines absorb instantly. A randomized controlled trial published in Current Medical Research and Opinion showed that 10 grams of gelatin daily reduced joint pain by 37% in just 8 weeks. Here's the recipe I give every patient who can't stand the taste of powdered collagen. Warm 1 cup of unsweetened tart cherry or pomegranate juice. Never boil it. That kills the antioxidants. Whisk in 2 full tablespoons of plain grass-fed gelatin until completely dissolved. Stir in a handful of chopped walnuts and fresh blueberries. Pour into silicone molds and refrigerate 2 hours. These soft, jiggly nibbles are pure joint medicine that tastes like homemade candy. Third, chicken bone broth bites. This is liquid gold for anyone over 55. When you simmer chicken bones low and slow for 8 to 12 hours, the collagen leaches out along with glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact amino acid trio your cartilage and peripheral nerves are starving for. I tell every patient to save every single chicken bone from roast chicken, wings, thighs, whatever you eat. Throw them in a stock pot, cover with filtered water. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to pull the minerals out of the bones. Toss an onion, celery, carrot, a few peppercorns, and let it simmer overnight. Strain it, pour into ice cube trays, and freeze. Every morning pop out 1 cube, warm it gently. Squeeze in fresh lemon and sprinkle parsley. Half a cup a day is often enough for patients to notice less morning stiffness and dramatically reduce tingling within 2 to 3 weeks. Fourth, cantaloupe mint bites. Vitamin C is the rate-limiting step in collagen synthesis. Without it, your body literally cannot make new collagen, period. 1 cup of cantaloupe gives you nearly 100% of your daily requirement. Cube a ripe cantaloupe into bite-sized pieces. Squeeze fresh lime over the top for even more vitamin C. Toss with chopped fresh mint and a small handful of pistachios. The healthy fats in the pistachios help absorb the fat-soluble antioxidants, and the mint cools inflammation. Patients tell me this is a snack that finally makes summer feel painless again. 5th, tomato Capri salad snack. Tomatoes are one of the few foods where cooking actually increases the bioavailability of the active compound, in this case lycopene, which protects existing collagen from breaking down. Slice 2 ripe tomatoes, layer with fresh mozzarella or ripe avocado if you're dairy-free. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle sea salt and fresh basil. Let it sit 10 minutes so the flavors marry. The combination of vitamin C, lycopene, and healthy fats is one of the most powerful collagen-protecting snacks you can eat. 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Hands down the heavyweight champion of vitamin C foods. Just 100 grams of fresh guava delivers over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, 4 times more than an orange. Chop 1 whole guava, seeds and all, into plain Greek yogurt. Drizzle raw honey. Squeeze half a lime. Top with crushed almonds or walnuts. This single bowl gives your fibroblasts the raw material they need to manufacture fresh collagen 24 hours a day. 7. Kiwi Crunch Snack. 2 medium kiwis give you 140 milligrams of vitamin C plus a nice dose of fiber and potassium. Slice them into rounds. Sprinkle with toasted almonds or walnuts. Add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, or even a few chili flakes to boost circulation. The contrast of sweet, tangy, crunchy, and salty makes this addictive, and your nerves love it. 8th and final, pineapple nut bites. Fresh pineapple contains bromelain, a proteolytic enzyme that digests inflammatory proteins in your joints and soft tissues. Combine that with its sky-high vitamin C content, and you have a collagen double whammy. Cut fresh pineapple into chunks. Mix with macadamia nuts or cashews for healthy fats. Dust with cinnamon and fresh mint leaves. Patients who add this snack in the afternoon swear their knees stop aching by evening. Let me tell you about Margaret Sullivan, a 69-year-old retired school teacher from Naples, Florida. When she first came to see me, she could barely hold a pencil. Both hands were numb and tingling all day. Her legs buckle on the stairs, and she had already fallen twice. We started her on 3 of these snacks every single day: bone broth bite in the morning, guava yogurt bowl mid-morning, and dark chocolate clusters at night. 6 weeks later, she walked into my office carrying her own groceries, no cane, smiling ear to ear, and told me, "Dr. Martín, I played 18 holes of golf last week and my hands never went numb once." Then there was Carlos Ramirez, a 74-year-old former mailman from San Antonio, Texas. He told me his legs felt like jelly and he was terrified of falling on his route even though he was retired. We added gelatin fruit nibbles and pineapple nut bites to his routine. 8 weeks later, he sent me a video of himself dancing Tejano at the senior center, something he hadn't done since the 60s. When was the last morning your hands didn't tingle when you woke up? How many steps can you take before your legs start to shake? Which of these 8 snacks are you willing to try first? Are you ready to walk without fear in the next 30 days? If your hands fall asleep at night, type tingling in the comments right now, so I know I'm not alone. Save this video because these 8 snacks are literally your new medicine. Tag the person in your life who keeps saying it's just old age and send them this video today. I've taken every single one of these recipes, the exact shopping list, and a 30-day rotation calendar, and put it into a beautiful PDF guide that I want you to have for free. The link is in the pinned comment and in the description. Download it right now. This is Dr. Martín with Senior Thrive, reminding you that tingling hands and weak legs are not a normal part of aging. They are a collagen deficiency, and you can fix it with food. Start tonight with just one of these snacks, and watch what happens in the next 2 weeks. Hit the like button if you're done accepting pain as normal. Subscribe and turn that bell on, because tomorrow I'm revealing the one morning drink that doubles collagen absorption overnight. And I'll see you in the next video. Move strong, live long.